Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37 and this is by Tomica or Takara Tomy. So we do have a lot of Sians here, but I still wanted to buy one from Tomica. So because I personally love Tomicas. And let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, I need to change my knife. Okay, so here is the box. Okay, let's unbox and see how the car looks. Okay, so here it is. Let me just put this aside. So the initial impressions of this car are, it is actually a bit huge compared to, its counterparts like from Majorette or, Hot Wheels. I'm not going to compare this with, the shitty Hot Wheels one. But I do want to compare this with the Majorette one because Majorette one has openable doors and the engine bay as well. So but the wheel proportion, if you see in Majorette, it is a bit weird. But this one, it looks really nice. Okay, never saw any irregularities with Tomica's paint job so far. Maybe only once. Throughout my unboxing videos, I saw only one, I think, with the BMW i4. That too with one casting which I had. The another casting which I had, which I given to one of my friend, that never had any issue. So it's just my luck, it seems. There's some detailing here for the engine. I can't be able to show it to you guys. It's black tinted, so it's not really that clear or visible. I personally love Tomica's logo placements and the detailing on the logo because it was never off. I never saw it like that. So this one, everything is actually plastic and it is embossed. It is not like painted or anything. So the tail lights are actually painted, but still it is embossed and then it's painted on top of it. So I think I bought this for somewhere around 450 rupees or something. Because this is the mainline version, it is not a premium one. So let's see if it has a suspension. Yes, it does have suspension. Okay, so this is 1/66 scale. Okay, and the wheels are actually made of plastic. Okay, and the body is made of metal and chassis is plastic, if you guys are wondering. Okay, let's do a roll test. It is not even moving at all. See, this is a normal force I normally use to push any vehicle, but it's not even rolling. Okay, personally I'm not going to play with Tomica. It is supposed to be kept in a showcase, so I don't have any issue. See, because it doesn't have any scratches or anything, it looks really beautiful. So if you are wondering whether you want to buy this or not, so my personal suggestion would be go ahead and buy it. Because for the price range which we are having, and this one is really best specifically compared to Hot Wheels. See, Majorette personally loved it. The only difference is it's a bit, what you can say, smaller than this, but it has its own merits, and there is only one demerit on that one, which is the wheelbase. It was a bit weird on that one, but still I loved it. I do have one more, I think this similar green color which I made to unbox, that I will do it in sometime. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.